This is Brian Methner with attorney Matthew Burkus, and we're talking about how bankruptcy can help you rebuild your credit. This sounds a little bit like an oxymoron. Does bankruptcy really help people rebuild their credit?
Well, exactly. Bankruptcy really puts sort of a great wall on your credit report and fixes what's already wrong with it now. The missed payments, the high balances that you owe, those all get zeroed out, and that gives you a clean slate to start rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy.
And once you started rebuilding that credit, how quickly does that happen?
Well, generally, most people will experience a rebuilding phase of about 18 to 24 months. And then usually their credit's going to be relatively back to normal after that time.
I know that a lot of people are concerned about whether they can purchase a house. Is it still possible to purchase a house after filing bankruptcy?
It certainly is. I mean, one of the leading myths out there right now is that you can never purchase a house again. Current FHA guidelines allow a purchase of a house just after 2 years from the discharge of your bankruptcy. And you can even refinance a house within a year after that.
Another concern that a lot of people seem to voice is whether they can get a car after filing bankruptcy. Is that possible also?
It's more than possible. In fact, most of our clients are going to experience getting offers for car loans within days of filing the bankruptcy because they want to lend to you.
I've also heard that some clients actually need to get another vehicle, and bankruptcy allows them the day after to go ahead and get that vehicle.
Yeah, exactly. One of the best ways to rebuild credit is to focus on getting the type of credit that you need initially. And everyone needs a car, so you go get a car loan, and that helps rebuild your credit.
Well, thank you, Matt. If you're interested in learning more about how bankruptcy can help you in your specific situation, please contact us for a free confidential consultation today. Thank you.